Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the new Meijer weekly deals, valid from Wednesday, July 15 through Tuesday, July 21st, 2026. We'll go through the best grocery deals, drinks, fresh produce, deli favorites, and household essentials. Stay until the end because there are several offers that can help you save on your next shopping trip. This page is packed with fresh grocery savings. Buy one mini seedless watermelon, large cantaloupe, or nectarines and get another for just $1. You'll also find two large avocados for $3, sweet corn packs for $6.99, and Dole salad blends for $6. Meat deals include Angus ground beef, T-bone steaks, chicken drumsticks, pork chops, bacon, Atlantic salmon, plus fresh bakery cookies and deli favorites. This page is full of everyday grocery deals perfect for summer. Stock up on Stouffer's frozen meals with a buy 4, get 1 free offer. Red Darren pizzas for $9 and Betty Crocker cake mixes for $3. You'll also find Ballpark buns, Heinz ketchup, M&M's, Oreo cookies, Coca-Cola products, Coffee Mate creamers, Dunkin' coffee, bottled water, and many other pantry favorites at great prices. Stay with me because the biggest household savings are still ahead, including paper products, cleaning essentials, and health brands you won't want to miss. This page features great savings on breakfast and pantry favorites. Pick up Pillsbury cake or brownie mixes for $3, General Mills cereals for $8 with them perks, and Kellogg's or Kashi cereals for $4.99. You'll also find Campbell's Chunky Soup, McCormick Seasonings, Dole Fruit Cups, Snack Pack Pudding, Del Monte canned fruit, plus coffee deals from Frederick's and 8 o'clock to stock your pantry for less. These major brand hot deals are available all season long and offer great value on everyday essentials. You'll find major cereal and instant oatmeal for $1.79, pancake and waffle mix or syrup for the same price, frozen waffles for $1.99, yogurt tubes, apple slices, granola bars, facial tissue, paper towels, plus back-to-school supplies like notebooks, folders, glue sticks, and washable markers at budget-friendly prices. Don't leave yet, the next pages feature some of the best everyday essentials, with bigger discounts on products families buy all year long. Looking for summer drink deals? This page features great savings on popular beer and ready-to-drink cocktails. Grab Bud Light, Miller Lite, Coors Light, or Labatt for $12.99, Cutwater cocktails for $11.99, and Corona, Heineken, or Stella Artois for $16.99. You'll also find special prices on White Claw, Smirnoff Ice, Michelob Ultra, Busch Light, Blue Moon, and Lining Kugels, making it easy to stock up for your next barbecue or weekend gathering. If you have pets at home, this page is packed with savings. Save 15% on pet department products with qualifying pickup or home delivery orders. You'll also find BOGO 40% off Zesty Paw supplements, 40% off KD Bird Seed, 50% off select collars, leashes, and harnesses, plus discounts on dog toys, cat scratchers, flea treatments, and aquarium supplies. Great time to stock up while these offers last. This page is packed with health and personal care savings. Save with BOGO 30% off Band-Aid and Neo Spray. BOGO 50% off Crest toothpaste, mouthwash, and floss. Plus BOGO 40% off Flamingo and Harry's shaving products. You'll also find deals on Veet hair removal, Lume deodorants, Axe body sprays, TheraBreath mouthwash, and pain relief products. A great chance to stock up on everyday essentials while these offers last. This page is full of household and health essentials at great prices. Save on Viva paper towels, Cottonelle bath tissue and flushable wipes, plus BOGO 30% off Finish dishwasher products, Lysol disinfectants, and Mucinex. You'll also find deals on Delson cough syrup, Scott bath tissue, Kleenex tissues, and Nuriva and airborne supplements. A smart time to stock up and save on everyday necessities.